In this short video, we will show you how to install a plastic kitchen splashback. When it comes to choosing the material, there's a wide range of options. In this video, we're using an aluminium sandwich panel. You could also select acrylic sheet or HPL, for example. To install a kitchen splashback, you need the following: a plastic sheet, anti-static cleaner, microfiber cloth, tape measure, screwdriver, mounting sealant adhesive, silicone sealant. Firstly, measure the dimensions so you can order your custom splashback. These panels don't expand or hardly expand at all, but allow a margin of 2 mm just to be sure. If necessary, remove any sockets. Do you need holes in your new kitchen splashback for the sockets? Of course, you can cut them yourself, but you can also request us to do it for you. Remove the protective film from the panel. Then, clean it thoroughly with an anti-static cleaner. Apply the sealant adhesive in dots approximately 2.5 cm from the edge, every 15 cm. Place the splashback in the desired position. If you are attaching different panel parts, keep a 3 mm seam between the panels. Press the panel firmly. If the wall has a large seam between the kitchen worktop and the wall, it's a handy tip to place filler wood so that the panel doesn't sink while the adhesive dries. Now we're going to seal the panel. Apply the silicone sealant and smooth it with your finger. There you have it, a brand new plastic splashback. Would you like to know more or view our complete range? Check the links below this video.